Press the wattage button to switch modes. 700 watts for RVs and low power settings, 1500 watts for older homes, and 1800 watts for standard outlets. The default setting is 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Set your cooking temperature and time by pressing the temp and time buttons. Use the arrow keys to adjust. Press start, and the Brio will preheat first. To skip preheat, press preheat. To turn auto preheat on or off, hold menu plus preheat for 2 seconds until you hear 2 beeps. Press menu to choose from 100 presets for air frying, baking, grilling, and more. Check the quick start guide to match menu numbers with recipes. Insert the probe into your food, then plug it into the Brio. Press the probe button, and you'll see the current internal temperature. To set the target temperature, press and hold the probe button until you hear 2 beeps. The default target temperature is 165 degrees, but you can adjust it between 50 and 212 degrees. For this demo, we'll set it to 165 degrees. Press start. The Brio will begin cooking at the default temperature of 350 degrees until your food reaches the target temperature of 165 degrees. Then it will automatically stop. If you press the probe button without the probe plugged in, the display will show an error code probe 1. Simply plug in the probe to clear the error. Install the rotisserie spit or basket by aligning the square and round ends. Press the rotisserie button to begin rotation during cooking. Use the sear function to lock in flavor and juices. Choose Sear 1 to brown before cooking, Sear 1-2 to sear both before and after, or Sear 2 to brown after cooking. Here's a quick example. Set the cooking temperature to 200 degrees for 1 minute to skip preheating. Press Sear and select Sear 1. Adjust the sear time to 1 minute and set the sear temperature to 300 degrees for a faster demo. Repeat the same steps for Sear 2 1 minute at 300 degrees and press start. You'll see Sear 1 start with 1 minute at 300 degrees, then the 1 minute cooking cycle at 200 degrees, followed by Sear 2 at 300 degrees for 1 minute. When it's done, End will appear on the display. That's it. Hold the temp button for 2 seconds to switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Press Sear and stage buttons together to mute or unmute the Brio's sound alerts. Save your favorite settings in program slots 101 to 150. Here's how. Set your desired cooking temperature and time, for example, 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 minutes. Press and hold the menu button to bring up the custom menu options. Scroll to slot 105, or your preferred slot, and hold the menu button until you hear 2 beeps. Your recipe is now saved at 105. To recall this custom setting, press the menu button twice to cycle through the saved slots. When you reach 105, press start. You'll see the Brio begin cooking at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 minutes. Keep your food warm with the Brio's warm function. First, set your cooking temperature and time. For example, we set 250 degrees for 1 minute. Press the warm button, then press start. After the cooking time runs out, the Brio will automatically switch to the warm mode, keeping your food at the perfect serving temperature for up to 1 hour. Grill like a pro with the Brio's grill function. Start by placing the grill or griddle plate inside the Brio. Press the grill button. You'll see 9 grill levels, level 1 for the shortest time and level 9 for the longest. The temperature is set to 425 degrees for all grill levels. Use the arrow buttons to select your desired grill level. For example, level 1 grills for 5 minutes, while level 9 extends the cook time to 15 minutes. Press start. The Brio will preheat automatically. When the preheat is complete, you'll have 10 seconds to add your food to the grill. The Brio will then start grilling automatically at the set level. That's it. Enjoy perfectly grilled food with delicious sear marks every time. Stage cooking lets you set up to 5 different cooking stages, each with its own temperature and time. Here's how. Press the stage button. Stage 1 foot will appear on the display. Set your first stage, let's do 1 minute at 200 degrees. Press stage again for stage 2. Set it to 205 degrees for 1 minute. Press stage once more for stage 3. Set the temperature to 210 degrees for 1 minute. Press start, and the Brio will run through all 3 stages automatically. As you can see, the Brio transitions seamlessly from stage to stage, ensuring perfect cooking results with no extra steps needed. That's it, stage cooking made simple.
NuWave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.